Hey you guys! Hello mga dabahons! TatayGing is going to make...
Oh shoot, it's a knife.
It's okay!
Staple your lip!
Ayan. So, dabahon, si TatayGing ay papakita niya sa inyo kung paano siya mag-marinade ng chicken na pwede niyong ipanghanda ngayong, tapos na yung Pasko. So, bagong taon, okay? So, for medianoche. So, TatayGing right now is, ayan o, nag-ano siya ng onion, garlic.
1 garlic, 2 garlic.
What garlic is? What is garlic?
Garlic is a herb, a spice that grows underground.
They know that, Daddy.
Oh, bawang.
Bawang. So, right now, TatayGing is...
Onion.
Oh, kinakat niya yung onion. Ayan, nagkat siya ng onion. Oh, yan. Onion naman yung kinakat ni TatayGing.
A little bit of this bad boy. Let's chop them up real quick.
Chop them up.
Secret ingredient?
Beer. Ayan.
Actually, this is America. We twist them.
What? Are you serious, dude? Oh, man. Ayan na, nilagyan ng beer ni TatayGing. So, naglagay siya dyan ng bawang, sibuyas, at sili. Ayan na, i-grind na niya.
Fun fact, guys, I've had this blender since 2004.
Dude, really?
Yeah.
Actually, ang tagal na niyan.
I got this blender when NanayGing was 14.
14? When I was 14. Ako,
That's not good, guys.
so ngayon ako ay, ano na ako? I'm 33. TatayGing, I'm 33 years old. Is it good? And he's gonna pour it in the chicken. So, what did you put in the chicken, Daddy?
Just white people stuff, salt and pepper.
And then
And my homemade barbecue spice.
Oh, okay. Wow.
But I like to cut holes in the chicken.
Yeah, cut the why?
Get that flavor.
Ang sexy ni TatayGing ngayon. Oh, parang gusto kong magpadilig. Ayan na siya. Magaling to mandilig, dabahons. Ganon din siya kagaling. Kung gaano kagaling to magluto, ganon din to kagaling magdilig. Kaya, ayan. Hindi niya alam kung ano pinagsasabi ko dito.
You gotta get it in there. You gotta get it in there. Where's our get it in there? Be careful of that knife.
Okay.
That's it, guys. All we gotta do now is let it sit for 6 hours and then grill it.
And then we're gonna grill it later on. So, wait for the live. We're going to live later. And we're gonna grill the... Ay, bakit ako nag-English? So, mag-grill kami, ma'am. I-grill namin ito mamaya. Isisit lang po namin ito mamaya hanggang mamayang gabi. Kasi Pasko na, mamayang gabi. Ayan, ito yung handa namin, dabahons. Manok. Say manok.
Manok.
Say sarap.
Delicious.
Say sarap.
Look at this. You guys want some beef fat?
Oh, inaano ni TatayGing beef fat. Ayan o.
Gotta cook it one more time.
Say malaki.
Malaki.
Ang saging
sagoy.
ko.
Go.
Na-enjoy ko yun, dabahons. Okay, so maraming salamat, dabahons, for watching.
There we go. That chicken is nicely marinated. Chopped up onion, garlic, spicy pepper, a little bit of red horse. Oh, wait, we don't have red horse. We had to use Yingling. Salt, pepper, dried thyme.
Uh-huh.
Let it cook. Let it cook. Let it rest. Let it rest. Let it eat.